In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to a cell in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to add some links that if you tap on it, it will redirect you to that page or to that spreadsheet. So to add that link, all you have to do would be to tap on the cell where you want to insert your link, then go to the insert tool at the top right here. There we have it. And at the top of our options, we have insert link. If you tap on it, here we have the text where we are going to insert our link to, then at the bottom where we can insert the actual link. So I already have my link ready and I'm just going to tap and paste. There we have it. And once you've pasted it, just click on done at the top right corner. There you have it. So after you've inserted your link, the format of our text has changed. It has turned blue and now it's underlined. So once you tap on the link, it will give you the option to open the link right here. If we tap on it, just choose the option where you want to open your link with. And here we have it. So this is actually a link to another spreadsheet that I have, which are movies. So there you have it. We've inserted that link and once we tap on it, we have the option to open it right here. Let's try that again. This time I'm just going to put in the word apple. There we go. And I'm going to insert a link to a Wikipedia page that will have the definition of an apple. So once you have the link for the cell, then go to the insert tool at the top, insert link. Again, we have the text where we want to insert our link, paste in the actual link, then tap on done. And again, the format of that text has changed. It's now in blue and underlined. If we tap on it again and select open link, there you have it. It will lead us to the link that we have just inserted to that cell. And that's how to add a link to a cell in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.